Hi, I'm Carrie Murray. I'm one of Newark Valley School social workers. My role here is to provide additional support to your child and to you as well. Whether it's inside of the classroom, outside of the classroom, my overall goal is to help your child be successful. So you can think of it in terms of problem solving. We solve problems in order to remove any barriers that there might be so that your child can be successful in school as well as outside of school.
Hi families, I'm Mrs. Laporte, and I provide support to primarily 8th graders, some 9th graders, in the way of small group instruction. So that might look like a resource room or a 15-1 class. Your kids might also see me in their gen ed classes as another teacher, as I provide consultant teacher services as well. They might see me in their math class or their English class or maybe their science class. I think we've had a great start to the year and I'm hoping to see that continue. Contact me if you have any questions or concerns.
Hi, I'm Ms. Fahey, school psychologist here at Newark Valley High School. I'm involved with your child's CSE meetings or 504 meetings. I help plan. I also administer updated academic testing or cognitive testing as needed. In addition, I provide support socially, emotionally, or behaviorally for your child. Let me know if you have any questions. You can give me a call or email me. Thank you.
Hey, I'm glad you stopped by. How are you? I'm so glad to meet your parents, kind of virtually, but you'll get to meet me anyway. I did a Bitmoji PowerPoint for us since this is a technology year. So I teach a small group algebra A and B class. It's the same curriculum as the general ed algebra class. It's just in a small group, and it helps with engagement. I teach several resource rooms, and in there we do things like IEP goals, some transition, organization, time management, study skills, those kind of things. I also am a consultant teacher in algebra with Mrs. Blake, so there's some direct and indirect consultant teaching that happens there. So if you have any concerns or questions, give me a call, or here's my email, lhess at the school website, or if you call the office, I'd be happy to call you back. And I think we're going to have a great year with your kids. Thanks. Take good care.
Hey everybody, I'm going to take a second to introduce myself. I'm Heidi Cardone. I'm a teacher here at the high school and part of the student support services team. I want to tell you a little bit about what I do. So my day is broke up into segments basically. You really won't see me working with other teachers much because I tend to fly solo, but my morning is spent teaching special class academics to students, so I cover all 4 content areas as well as a bunch of other things. We also work on pre-vocational skills and stuff like that during that time period, and then my afternoon is spent teaching life skills and work-based learning. So some people don't know what work-based learning is because it's fairly new to the school, but what that is getting students ready who are ready to go to career tech for BOCES, whose schedule allows an elective, to get in and get some of those pre-vocational things started. It also is a chance for students to get a little further ahead that are going directly into the workforce and might not be thinking about a 4-year school, or a 2-year college. So we research all of those things. So basically, here's my classroom, checking it out. And the best way for me to explain what I teach at the high school is right there. I teach kids how to be successful at the game of life. Nice to meet you.
Hi, welcome to room 233. I'm Mrs. Schumacher. This is the room that we have for supported study hall. As you can see, I have computers. I have socially spaced out desks. And I have a desk in the back with a nice little plexiglass shield that we can work one-on-one together. You come here to get help with your homework, a quiet place to have extended time for your quizzes or tests, or whatever I can do for you. You may also see me in Global 1, Global 2, or Project-Based Global. See you to the halls.
Who's there? Oh, MVCS classes, come on in. Good to see you. Welcome, families. Here's Mr. Fraser's classroom, special education teacher. If your student forgets their laptops or technology, don't worry, we're equipped with 2 PCs here, where your student can do their homework and do their assignments right here in class. Also, we're equipped with a 60-inch LED TV, and also a doctor camera, so I can show any assignment they want right on the TV and help out your student, and also on those Zoom calls. So here in Mr. Fraser's special education classroom, I do resource room. I support students in 10th and 11th grade and some 9th graders. Also, when I'm not in this awesome room, I'm over at Mr. Roberts' room, pushing into U.S. history, and I also push into Mr. Smith's ELA 11 class. So here in resource room, what we do is we support students with their assignments. We also work on their goals for the year. We improve their reading and writing skills, and pretty much just have fun. So.
Hi, my name is Mr. Capero, and I am one of the student support services teachers here at Newark Valley. And as I was thinking about my role, just to kind of give you a quick idea, I was thinking that I kind of wear a lot of hats, so that's what I'm going to do for you, wear a lot of hats. First thing, the room we are in here is resource room. I am a resource room teacher where we do some small group work on various things. Some of the things we do are skill support for different students, all right? We just work on especially those reading and writing skills, sharpening that kind of thing. We'll do math and other things as well. Organization and those things too. We also do some time for homework help, helping students figure out what they need to do and prioritizing and supporting whatever we need there. I am also in the English classrooms. I work with Mr. Stratton in English 9, so students will see me there. I also work in English 10 with Mrs. Mallory, so students will see me there. In addition to that, I am in English 12 with Mrs. Mallory, and if I'm trying to sum things up, I am a communicator. I communicate the needs of students to teachers and the requirements of teachers to students and kind of facilitate that whole thing. And in the end, the big hat that I wear, I'm going to show you in just a second.
Hey, in the end, Student Support Services, this is what we're all about. Supporting students in the high school in whatever ways we can.